This is Seth and I'm Abdul and we're from Newton. And the question we're going to be doing today is, are emulsifiers needed in space? Now we all know about oil and water. Now why don't oil and water bond?
That's because, Abdul, water is dipolar, so it has a positive and negative side. This means that it dissolves things quite well.
Our hypothesis, in space we do not need emulsifiers, and our experiment is...
Our experiment is 50 ml of water and 50 ml of oil, and we're going to mix these together in this glass. We've already done this before twice, and now Abdul is going to mix them together, stir it for 5 seconds. Then I'm going to measure how long it takes for water and oil to separate completely.
Okay, here goes. It immediately starts floating to the top.
Right.
Now I'm going to stir for 5 seconds.
Right. Okay. Start. Okay.
So,
and it's turned out to be 4.6 seconds.
4.6 seconds, and now you can see there's hardly anything in there, and most of the water has gone to the top, because before you could see tiny little bubbles of oil in there.
Yes.
Now we're going to do this experiment in space. We want the scientists to recreate this experiment for us in space, because we think in space, as there is no gravity to pull the heavy water down and for the light oil to float, we think that in space it's just going to stay together. We don't need an emulsifier to bond these. Maybe there's a slight possibility that there'll be slight oil molecules. Now we've already done this experiment 3 times before. You can see the results now. Now you'll be able to see the average results. This is the average result that we've gotten here on Earth. Now, yeah, and our results will be that it will mix together.
Yes.
And we will be doing this in a sealed container to make sure that oil and water does not go spreading around, because we don't want oil on the ISS. So that's all from us. From me and Seth.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and bye.
Bye.